Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of luxurious motorhomes with an exclusive look at the 2026 Nissan Motorhome. Designed for adventure, comfort, and style, this motorhome redefines road travel. The front exterior features a bold aerodynamic grille, paired with Nissan's signature LED headlights that seamlessly integrate into the body. The futuristic design ensures both aesthetics and optimal airflow, reducing drag for better fuel efficiency. Moving to the rear, the motorhome boasts a sleek LED taillight bar, adding a futuristic vibe. The large rear doors open up to reveal accessible storage compartments, perfect for all your travel gear. The 2026 Nissan Motorhome is not just a camper van, it's a futuristic blend of Nissan's automotive excellence and the demands of modern nomads. From its aerodynamic exterior to its tech-packed interior, this motorhome is built to impress. The cockpit of the 2026 Nissan Motorhome is nothing short of impressive. The driver's seat is equipped with ergonomic padding, ensuring long-distance comfort. The dashboard features a 12-inch touchscreen display, offering navigation, entertainment, and smart vehicle controls. The living space is designed with both style and functionality in mind. Plush seating with premium upholstery and customizable LED lighting create a cozy ambiance. It's the perfect place to relax after a long day of travel. The living space is nothing short of a luxury lounge. With plush, leather-upholstered seating and a convertible dining table, it's perfect for relaxing, dining, or entertaining. Customizable LED lighting allows you to set the mood, whether you're reading a book or hosting friends. The kitchen area is fully equipped to satisfy all your culinary needs. It features a high-efficiency induction cooktop, a microwave convection oven, and a compact refrigerator with enough space for all your groceries. The bedroom area features a queen-size memory foam mattress surrounded by built-in storage cabinets. USB charging ports and reading lights on either side of the bed make it a cozy retreat after a long day of adventure. The bathroom is a standout feature, offering a full shower with adjustable water pressure, a high-tech toilet with bidet functionality, and a vanity with a backlit mirror. The elegant marble-style finish makes it feel like a high-end spa. The 2026 Nissan Motorhome is powered by a hybrid electric engine that delivers both power and efficiency. It offers an impressive 450-mile range on a single charge, making it ideal for long-distance trips. With seamless gear shifts and adaptive suspension, the motorhome provides a smooth and stable ride regardless of the terrain. Given its luxury features and advanced technology, The 2026 Nissan Motorhome is expected to start at $140,000. Higher trims with additional customizations could go up to $180,000.